Hello friends, today we see a new and important concept of curriculum which is value. In this video, we see concept of values, objectives related to values, list of values, explanation with examples and references. Values are important in teaching learning of each and every subject. Values are essential for positive human behavior. Education from time immemorial has focused on values. Values form the core of educational goals and objectives. Almost every education policy document has emphasized the role of education in fostering values. The origin of word value is considered from the Latin word valere, which reveals out the utility, speciality and cost of a thing. In other words, value is such a code of conduct or the incorporation of virtue following which the man develops his personality and springs up being powerful and trustworthy in society. Keeping in view the recommendations of the National Policy on Education 1986, the Board of Education introduced value or value education as a compulsory subject in schools. Our nation needs more and more citizens who are capable of making morally right choices in the interest of the nation. Values are guiding principles or standards of behavior which are regarded desirable, important and held in high esteem by a particular society in which a person lives. The importance of values and morals are the code we live by in a civil and just society. They are what we use to guide our interactions with others, with our friends and family, in our business and professional behavior. Our values and morals are a reflection of our spirituality, our character. They are what we hope to model for our children and the children around us. Because children do watch us as they develop their own sense of right and wrong. So value education, also called moral education. According to C.V. Good, value education is the aggregate of all the process by means of which a person develops abilities, attitudes and other forms of behavior of the positive values in the society in which he lives. Now we see objectives of value education. Traditionally, the objectives of value education were based on religion and philosophy. There was no secular value education. But in today's modern world, this has been taken as very much essential. Accordingly, the objectives for value education may be taken up as follows. Developing child's personality in its physical, mental, emotional and spiritual aspects. Inculcating good manners of responsible and cooperative citizenship. Developing respect for the dignity of individual and society. Inculcating a spirit of patriotism and national integration. Developing a democratic way of thinking and living. Developing tolerance towards an understanding of different religious faiths. Developing sense of brotherhood at social, national and international levels. Helping pupils to have faith in themselves and in some supernatural power that is supposed to control the universe and human life. Enabling pupils to make decisions on the basis of sound moral principles. Evolving the evaluation criteria on value education. suggesting measures for better utilization of value education. Finding out the interest of pupils in relation to different aspects and activities of value education. Clarifying the meaning and concept of value education. Now, these are the 10 values which are focused in Indian curriculum especially. First, patriotism. Second one, national integration. Third, religious tolerance. Fourth, equality of gender. Fifth, dignity of labor. Sixth, scientific attitude. 7. Modesty. 8. Sensitivity. 9. Punctuality. And 10. Neatness. Now we see these values in detail. The first value is patriotism. In this respect, the sense of patriotism expresses the affection that one feels towards their group and homeland. Every group makes use of cultural, educational, social and political means through which they can instill their members with a sense of allegiance. Why patriotism is important? To know the importance of freedom, to banish corruption, violence and disunity. Not only this, but for prosperity and excellence, we need patriotism. We have some programs like 15th August, 26th January, which helps us inculcate this value in students. The second value is national integration. It is the bond and togetherness between people regardless of their caste, creed, religion or gender. It is the feeling of oneness, brotherhood and social unity under communities and society in a country. Such a feeling of impartial delight at any achievement by an Indian is what we would call the feeling of national integration. For example, when Virat Kohli wins the cricket match, we feel proud or just remember the Miss World of 1994 when the committee announced Aishwarya Rai is new Miss World. We just think that this is our achievement, so this kind of emotions show us national integration. The next one is religious tolerance. It refers to the ability to appreciate spiritual values, beliefs and practices which are different from your own. This goal is a complex one due to the great diversity of religions and spiritual beliefs existing in the world today. Generally, it means show respect to each religion. It is the positive and cordial effect to understand another's beliefs, practices and habits without necessarily accepting them. The fourth value is equality of gender. It means that the different behaviors, aspirations and needs of women and men are considered, valued and favored equally. It does not mean that women and men have to become the same, but that their rights, responsibilities and opportunities will not depend on whether they are born male or female. It is necessary to understand that society can progress only if women are considered equal to men, given equal opportunities and equal rights. The next value is dignity of labor. The dignity of labor is the philosophy that all types of jobs are respected equally and no occupation is considered superior and none of the jobs should be discriminated on any basis. So, hard work and give respect to every kind of work is important. The next value is scientific attitude. It can be defined as open-mindedness, the desire for accurate knowledge, confidence in procedures for seeking knowledge and the expectation that the solution of the problem will come through the use of verified knowledge. Simply, we must learn to see things with proper scientific attitude. So try to verify things around you. The next value is modesty. It means the state or quality of being moderate in the estimation of one's own abilities, accomplishments, or value. Reserve or priority in speech, dress, or behavior. Also, it means not to hurt others, follow the behavior which is convenient, pleasing from the second person point of view, to respect others and to listen to others. The eighth value is sensitivity. The quality or state of being sensitive. It means to be caring towards others, to feel what the other person feels in sensitivity. A sensitive heart understands the plight of others in sorrow or death or trouble and react accordingly. It is shown to animals, friends, poor, needy. It means it's shown to each and everyone. The next value is punctuality. Punctuality is the characteristic of being able to complete a required task or fulfill an obligation before or at a previously designated time. Punctual is often used synonymously with on time. In cultures that value punctuality, being late is seen as disrespectful of others' time and may be considered insulting. Remember that tomorrow never comes. We ought to take care of the minutes, for the hours will take care of themselves. So try to manage your daily schedule, diary, timetable of exam. The next value is neatness. Neatness is a sign of respect because we take care of things we value, beginning with ourselves. Why it is important to be neat? Because it gives us satisfaction. External neatness is a reflection of one's internal character. So, encourage your students to think of ways to be neat. It gives you bright, lively, pleasant atmosphere. Cleanliness, cutting nails, shaving, polishing shoes, ironing clothes. These are the examples of personal neatness. Also, Indian railway stations, bus stands, etc. are our responsibilities. We have to maintain systematic school premises. So it is necessary that every student understand the importance of neatness. Schools should be induced to create a climate of values which should run various activities and would be conducive to the promotion of values among students, teachers, parents, and educational administrators. Programs of value education should incorporate values of integral personality in all its dimensions: physical, vital, intellectual, aesthetic, ethical, and spiritual. Through group and individual activities, projects, programs offer discussions on a daily basis. Teachers inculcate these values in students. The core elements and values are highly subjective and flexible. It may have differences of opinion. But here we just discussed the 10 values which are included in Indian curriculum after implementation of National Education Policy in 1986. Friends, for this content, I use these references. Thank you so much for watching the video.